Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and set up Coinbase account security for US users, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Coinbase website. Click on the Get Started button prominently displayed on the home page. Fill in your email address and create a strong password. Be sure to use a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters in your password. Check the box to agree to Coinbase terms and conditions. Next, click on the Create Account button. You will receive an email verification link from Coinbase. Go to your inbox and find the email from Coinbase. Click on the verification link to confirm your email address. Once verified, return to the Coinbase website and log in with your email and password. After logging in, you will be prompted to set up two-factor authentication, or 2FA. Choose your preferred 2FA method, either via an authentication app or SMS. If you choose an authentication app, download one like Google Authenticator or Authy. Follow the instructions to link the app to your Coinbase account. This usually involves scanning a QR code displayed on your screen. If you opted for SMS, enter your phone number and confirm it with the code sent to you. Once 2FA is set up, you will receive a backup recovery code. Store this recovery code in a safe location, as it can be used to regain access if you lose your 2FA device. To enhance security further, navigate to the security settings in your account. Enable biometric authentication if your device supports it. Review your account activity regularly to monitor for any unauthorized access. Consider setting withdrawal limits to additional addresses to prevent unauthorized transactions. Lastly, remember to update your security settings periodically to maintain account protection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.